Maybe you're looking to live a healthy life and looking for ways to eliminate your current random diet with healthy choices. I'll share with you some of the top protein-based plant-based foods. Protein can be found in different parts of our body. Many parts of the body consist of proteins such as bones, organs, muscles, tendons, muscles, hair, nails, teeth. Quinoa. It looks like couscous and is versatile where salads, casseroles and even recipes for breakfast dishes. Quinoa are undoubtedly one of the main sources of protein and carbohydrates for vegetarians and vegans. Chia seeds. When mixed with liquid, it makes it excellent for cooking, especially instead of eggs. It is also rich in iron, zinc and calcium, as well as many antioxidants. Chia seeds have grown in popularity recently due to their high content of omega-3, higher than any other vegetarian diet. Soybeans. There are many products found in soybeans such as tofu. It is one of the main sources of protein for vegetarians and is often used to synthesize protein. Soybeans are a good part of any salad recipe and are good wheat. Hemp seeds. It contains a large amount of all 9 essential amino acids as well as omega-3 fats. It is widely used in the form of a supplement. Hemp seeds are an excellent source of protein, rich in magnesium, zinc, iron and calcium. Nuts. Nuts such as almonds, peanuts, cashews, etc., all of them are excellent sources of protein but without too much of them. Peanuts. It can also be purchased in the form of peanut butter. Peanuts are an excellent vegetable source of protein. Green peas. With low calories do not have as much protein as the other substances listed, but with vegetables they have excellent concentrations of nutrients. Green peas are added to fruits and vegetables. Protein shakes. It's the best of all as you'll get all the essential amino acids and your body also absorbs 100% of it. Protein shakes are widespread because of their qualities such as weight enhancement, controlling muscle growth, helping you burn fat, providing nutrition, reducing your appetite and, moreover, being a great meal alternative.